Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip The Hoopla, and today we're doing a really quick leg hooping trick. So without further ado, we're going to be getting started, and what it's going to look like is so. Now, an easier way to start is to try starting on the hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this rotating on the hand and do what I call the world's weirdest handshake. Now next, the hoop leg's rotating on one thing, so we want to try and get the foot matching our hand and then slide the hand out and get it on the foot. That's a good way to transition onto the foot. So we're getting this going. When you're going down and up, get that and slide it out. Try and keep the toe pointed and try and keep nice body posture. You can also rotate this around so that it is still going on the leg. Okay, so that is today's quick leg hooping tutorial. Hope you enjoyed that. Check out more on Hip The Hoopla everywhere. Rock on, peace out, bye.